Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Honor 5i from Huawei. We know for the Honor 5i that supports Android 4.4 and above and iOS 9.0 and above. You can see in the package right here we have a picture of the Honor 4. In the back we have some information on what we can find in this smartwatch, which is some type of sports and all kinds of stuff that we will see here in this smartwatch. So let's go ahead and unbox it. You can see in the package we have the charger, we have the separate charger, and we have the watch itself. It's not too complicated in this package, and we know that we have 4.2 Bluetooth in the Honor 4. So you can see it's very good and not so expensive. Let's go ahead and start with these things. We have the head of the charger, we have the cable, these come separate, and we have the watch itself right here. You can see we have a beautiful 0.95 inch AMOLED color touchscreen. We have rubber bands which are very comfortable to wear them in daily basic. You can see right here how flexible they are, and they have some stripes to make these straps more beautiful. You can see we have the touch circle in the end of the screen. Also we have the sensor in the back, the release strap buttons, you can see right up and down the sensor, and the charging point as well. So what we know about this smartwatch, we said we have to use it and see how it works. Of course there are plenty of more options like sports and heart rate and all this stuff, but we are going to see right now. As you can see in the first page we have time, date, steps and battery. We have here steps, heart rate. In the second option we have here sleep, workout, Alipay, more, messages, and these was all the options that we have in the menu of Honor 4. So we know that we have all types of sports, we have messages, notifications, we have all kinds of stuff that makes the Honor 4 very affordable and very useful in daily basic use. So now what we have to do is just use it, try some of these options and show you how this works. So let's go ahead and put it on, see how it looks. As you can see it says very good, very flush with your hands, not so good, so big, and you can see the straps very comfortable. Let's go ahead and see now how these options will work. We have the first one here, heart rate. Let's test it. You can see now the first result. It doesn't take too much. We have a few seconds and it will show the measurements. Next, let's see what we have here. We have workout. And workout, as you can see, we have outdoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, and all kinds of stuff. Let's try the outdoor walk. We have to put one finger between the watch and the wrist, so we have more accurate information. 3-second countdown, it will start. We have the seconds going, we have kilometers, as you can see in the top as well. We have the time. Next, in the next page we have blood pressure as well as kilometers. We have burn calories and steps per kilometer. When you hold the button you can end the session without any problem. So guys, this was all information about the Honor 4. So in the end, we know that this smartwatch is very useful. All these functions work pretty good. We have call reminder as well, notifications, which we are going to show you in the next video while we are connecting it with our phone. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch unboxing or how to connect it.